Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check real battery health on iPhone. Let's get started. Open up the settings application. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on battery. Now tap on battery health and charging. And here you can see the maximum capacity. But this is only an estimate, not the real battery cycle data. To get full details, head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and then in the search bar, you need to go ahead and simply search for iPhone battery shortcut. Once you search for it, click on the first link, scroll below, then tap on battery stats shortcut. And then inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says add a shortcut. Go ahead and simply tap onto it. And once it is added, head back to your home screen, open up settings again, scroll below, then tap on privacy and security. Inside here, scroll below again, then tap on analytics and improvements. Now tap on analytics data. And here you need to go ahead and simply look for the most recent analytic file and then tap on the share button. Now scroll below, then tap on battery stats. And wait for a few seconds, and just like that, the shortcut will generate a detailed report with your two battery health, cycle counts, and original capacity of your iPhone battery. And that's it. That is how you can check your iPhone's real battery health with accurate stats and not just Apple's percentage reading. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.